Namaste. I am Satyajit Purkayas from Government English Medium Middle School, Dugupara, Dharamjaygarh District, Raigad, Chhattisgarh. Before I am presenting this video or about myself, I want to give heartily thanks to Ajim Premji Foundation and respected man Shreya Banerjee, who has given me a big opportunity to say something about COVID-19 and learning English, speaking in English and making videos and share in a teachers group by the English learning training program. So we have given a task about to say something to related coronavirus disease, its symptoms and how can we take precautions to against this disease. Nowadays we are facing a big problem which is a coronavirus disease or COVID-19 that affect in all way in education and economic and political. In all ways it's affect in our life and it's make to a big change in our personality and our work and our daily routine. In all ways it's affected. So I am saying it and we all know this disease and I want to say something about the COVID-19. First and foremost, we should aware for this disease, what is its effect and how it affect in our body or our immune system. If we feel weakness and suddenly our appetite decreased and we have a back pain and high fever, so we should know that about this disease. We have maybe infected by COVID-19. Most important symptoms of this disease is a problem of breathing. If we have problem in breathing because COVID-19 is affected in our lungs or this disease is only respiratory. So I want to share the precautions should be taken against this disease. We should putting a mask. It is most important to face this disease because this disease is affected in our lungs and it is related to the respiratory system. If we take or if we put mask, then we can protect ourselves by this disease. Second precautions we should take: social distance in our any field, working field, office, and when we have on the social gathering. So we put mask and social distance. A third thing is we should use sanitizer and we should wash our hand properly with soap or any cleaner. If we take three precautions, then we can protect ourselves by this dangerous disease. So thank you very much all viewers and Azim Premji Foundation and all respected